I'm Miss Cullen, and it's circle time. I can sit down as quiet as can be. I can sit down, just look at me. I can sit down as quiet as can be. I can sit down, just look at me. Oh, good job coming to sit down for circle time. That was great. So today we are going to talk about space, outer space. But before we even get started talking about outer space, I thought it would be fun to sing our Hi There song together. Are you ready to do it with me? Okay, so you can stand up if you'd like, and then we can say hello to each other. Okay, are you ready? Okay, here we go. Hi there, so glad you came. Hi there, so glad you came. Hi there, so glad you came. 1, 2, 3, let's shout hooray! Hooray! Hi there, so glad you're here. Hi there, so glad you're here. Hi there, so glad you're here. 1, 2, 3, let's give a cheer. Yay! Oh, good job singing. That was fantastic. So now it is time to find out who the special helper is for today. So that means you get to put me on pause because it's teacher helper time. So now you can find out who the special helper is for today. Now let's talk about the calendar. So we are going to sing our Days of the Week song. And if you would like to stand up, you may. And make sure you get those clapping hands ready because you are going to need them. Okay, you ready to sing with me? Okay, here we go. Well, there's Sunday and there's Monday. There's Tuesday and there's Wednesday. There's Thursday and there's Friday. And then there's Saturday. Days of the week. 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 Let's sing it one more time. Here we go. Well, there's Sunday and there's Monday. There's Tuesday and there's Wednesday. There's Thursday and there's Friday. And then there's Saturday. Days of the week. 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 Good job. That was great singing. I am so proud of you. Good job. So now it is teacher helper time. So you can put me on pause because you are going to talk about the name of the month, the day of the week, and the number of the day. So now let's talk about the weather. And I have my weather dial, and if you have yours, you can take it out also. And let's look at it together. Let's look at all the pictures, and I'll point to them, and you can tell me what it's a picture of. Okay, so let's start with the one on top. That's a picture of a sun, that's right. So it would be a sunny day. And then let's look at this one over here. Those are snowflakes. So it would be a snowy day, yes. And then let's look at this one over here. It's a picture of a cloud and rain. So a rainy day. And then let's look at this one over here. Those are trees, aren't they? And they're blowing in the wind. So it would be a windy day. And then let's look at this one right here. Those are clouds in the sky. So it would be a cloudy day. And then the one on the bottom here. A cloud and sun. So a cloudy and sunny day. So now the weather at my house today is rainy. There are some clouds in the sky and it's raining today. It's actually raining and then sometimes it's sunny and then sometimes it's raining. So it's kind of on and off. But right now at this very moment it is raining. Yeah. So now you know what it's time for you to do? You get to find out what the weather is like where you live. So that means it's teacher helper time. And you can put me on pause and find out what the weather is like where you live. So now let's talk about the planets. And I have a bunch of pictures to show you. I have pictures to show you of planets. We'll just talk about the colors. And I also have one picture that has the planets on it and the order that they go in. What's closest to the sun, what's furthest away from the sun. And but we really, really need our good-looking eyes on because some of them are so hard to see. Oh my goodness. But I think if we have our good-looking eyes on, we'll be able to see them a little bit better. So let's put them on together. Okay, here we go. Okay, are they on? Okay, good. Okay, here's the picture I want to show you. Now this is a picture right here. And this right here, can you see that? That's the sun. And remember, the sun's not a planet, it's a star. So let me show you what's closest to the sun. Here is Mercury. And then the next one is Venus. And then Earth, where we live. Then Mars. Then Jupiter. Then Saturn. Then Uranus. And then Neptune. See how some of them are really tiny? There's some over here that are really tiny. And then some that are a little bit bigger. And then some that are medium size. Okay, so now let's look at some other pictures. So this one is Mercury. This is the first one on that scale. And next to the sun. That one's closest to the sun, and Mercury is very hot. This is a planet. Okay, let me show you another one. Oh, what color is this one? Mercury, what color is that? It's kind of a grayish color, isn't it? Yeah. Good. Okay, let's look at the second one. This one's Venus. Venus is kind of a brownish color, isn't it? Yeah. Okay, and, oh, what about this one? This planet. Do you know what planet this is? It's Earth. This is where we live, right? Yeah, on Earth. Okay, and then let's look at this one. This one's Mars. What colors are on Mars? Kind of like a reddish, orangish color, right? Okay, let's look at this one. This one's Jupiter. And this one, it has orange, kind of an orangish color. And do you see the white part, the white bands on there? There's some white bands. And this one's the biggest planet in the solar system. Yeah. Okay, let's look at this one. This is the next one I want to show you. Do you know what planet that is? This is Saturn, yeah. And this is the second largest planet. Not the largest, but the second largest. And you see the color, it's kind of a light yellowish color. Do you see that on there? Like right in here, you can kind of see the light yellow color. Yeah. Okay, and then this one, right here is Uranus. And that's, what color is it? Yeah, it's like a light blue color, isn't it? It's beautiful, actually. Okay, I have another one for you. Number 8. This one's Neptune. That's also a light blue color, isn't it? Okay, that's number 8. And we have one more. This one's Pluto, number 9. 9 planets in the solar system. And what color is on there? Can you see it? It's kind of a light brownish, tannish color. Yeah, great job with your colors. Oh, that was so much fun. I hope you had a good time. And you know what time it is now? It's Teacher Helper time. So you can put me on pause for Teacher Helper time.